For the past decades, finally, there has been actually a lot of research about this topic. The American Psychological Association defines happiness as an emotion of joy, gladness, satisfaction, and well-being. The Professor Sonia Lubomirsky adds some important elements by saying that it is an enduring state of mind, consisting not only of feelings of joy, contentment, and other positive emotions, but also of a sense that one's life is meaningful and valued. Whether you personally call this state or feeling happiness, well-being, fulfillment, satisfaction, success, or something else, it seems like most of us, all of us maybe, have been continuously looking for it. One of the approaches I most like is the PERMA+V model of well-being, devised by Martin Seligman, where each of the letters of this acronym stand for one of the 6 core elements of well-being. Let's take a closer look at each of them. P for positive emotions emphasizes the importance of cultivating positive emotions such as joy, gratitude, and serenity. It highlights that engaging in activities that evoke good feelings contribute to a more positive and fulfilling life. Engagement, also known as flow, refers to the state of being fully absorbed and immersed in an activity. When individuals are engaged, they experience a sense of timelessness and complete absorption, contributing to a deeper sense of well-being. It's when you get happily lost in doing something. Relationships are all about having meaningful connections with others, another element which plays a crucial role in our well-being.